You are afraid of making mistakes, so guys, don't be afraid of mistakes. English comes through making mistakes. So first of all, learn to make mistakes. Making mistakes is the first step learning in English. You speak English every day. You speak English every day for a few minutes. Don't try to be perfect from a one day, but one day you will definitely become a confidently English speaker. Remember, English is just a language, not a subject. With continuous effort, you can speak English fluently and confidently step by step. So guys, make sure watch this video till the end. Don't skip this my video. If you are beginner in this my channel, so hey guys, request for you, uh, please like, share and subscribe my videos. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Do you want to speak English fluently and confidently? If you really want to speak English and fluently and confidently, so this video only just for you. Please don't skip, because in this video I will give you many tips. So first tips, you have to get used to reading and improving English. You can take any book, and you can read that loudly, because by reading loudly, what you achieve. Do you know that is pronunciation? Your pronunciation means you can pronounce word, the word which is speaking in a good way. If you if you read any story and any topic loudly, so that the reason that's you have improving your reading is also. So first of all, you if you want to speak English fluently and confidently, so guys, second things, you have to practice every day. I think lot of people want to their English improving your communication skill, and those who are watching my videos, they will be thinking that you know want to improve my English, but I am not getting the idea. I am not getting the video ideas by using which videos ideas I can become a fluent, and I can practice So I think there are two way to practice English by yourself. That is by using first tips, the mirror, and other by using mobile camera. I know. So if you want to practice English, you can use the mirror front of mirror. Because in front of mirror, I think some benefits which we can get by using camera, that we can't get when we use the mirror. So that is like we can't record know how too much we are going to improve our English. So if you want to see your progressing and progress, so you have to use mobile camera, because you speaking about any topic, and in front of mobile camera you can easily know that I'm going to improve this much like that. So that the reason that you have to use mobile camera, so that you will be able to know, like you are learning this much words, and you are improving this much like that. So always turn off yourself in a from a mobile camera. So that's all for today. uh, this video. Yeah. if you are if you are like my video, please like and share, subscribe. Oh, thank you so very much.